Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today I went to Walmart today, found a new Hot Wheels Monsters case. Shark vs. Dino's Megarex, guys. Here it is. Team Dino Megarex. New for 2025. Name Megarex, truck type creature, strength, thunderous, tyranno teeth, charged dino bite. Here's the next case, which is a Great Bite, Hot Wheels Tiger Shark, which is the Team Shark, the Team Dino Megarex, the Flintmobile, Dodge Charger RT, which I own, the same one, re-release, 5-alarm re-release, recreational, and Bigfoot. Pretty cool, guys. Love the tires. Let's go ahead and get this out. Alright, ooh, here it is. Okay, guys. Here's the Megarex, which is a Team Dino. I love how they did the tires with lava, like it's magma. The red roll cage, yellow chassis, and then the rainbow design of teeth, and then a red windshield. And Megarex, guys, and it's casted, like it was rubber before, now it's fully casted. Pretty cool, guys. The tires have the little claw marks. I love the molten lava effect on the tires, though. So that's it, guys. I got 2 more to unbox. Peace out.